Very good morning, students. Welcome back to online class in physics. So far, we discussed up to SI system of units. Today, let me continue with fundamental quantities. What is fundamental quantities? Quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Did you understand, students? Quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Example: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. Totally, we have 7 number of fundamental quantities. What are the unit we have for fundamental quantities? Length can be expressed in terms of meter. Meter can be denoted by small letter m. Mass SI unit is kilogram, which can be denoted by kg. Time can be expressed in terms of second, which can be denoted by S. Electric current can be expressed in terms of ampere. The symbol for ampere is capital A. Temperature can be expressed in terms of Kelvin. The SI unit of Kelvin, that is the symbol which we are using for Kelvin, is capital K. Amount of substance, mole. Mole can be expressed in terms of MOL. The last one is luminous intensity, which can be expressed in terms of candela. The symbol for the candela is CD. The next one is derived quantity. Is nothing. Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Did you understand, students? Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. We have so many examples. Very few examples here I have given. Look at clearly, students. Area, volume, density, speed, velocity, acceleration, momentum, force, pressure, work, energy and power. These are very few examples for derived quantities. Formula for derived quantities that they have given here. Listen me carefully. Area. The formula for area is length into length. Length is the fundamental quantities. So area we are deriving with help of fundamental quantities. I hope you understood. What is the unit we have for area? Area can be expressed in terms of meter square. Volume, length cube. The unit of volume is meter cube. Density, mass per volume. Mass unit is kg, volume unit is meter cube. So totally kg meter power minus cube is the unit of density. Speed or else velocity, which can be expressed in terms of distance per time or else length per time. The unit is meter second power minus 1. Acceleration, velocity per time. The unit of acceleration is meter second power minus 2. Momentum, mass into velocity. The unit is kg meter second power minus 1. Likewise, we have force, pressure, work, energy and power. Length is the fundamental quantities. Let me explain about length. Length is the extent of something between 2 points. Length is the extent of something between 2 points. The SI unit of length is a meter. The SI unit of length is meter. in order to measure very large distance, in sense distance of astronomical objects, we can measure in terms of three. The first one is astronomical unit, the second one is light year, the third one is parsec. Astronomical unit. What is astronomical unit? It is the mean distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. 1 AU is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. What is AU? AU is a short form of astronomical unit. The next one is a light year. It is a distance traveled by a light in 1 year in vacuum, and it is equal to a 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. In terms of trillion, we can take it as 9.5 trillion kilometer. Parsec. Parsec is the unit of distance used to measure astronomical objects outside the solar system. 1 parsec value is 3.26 light year. 3.26 light year. Do you know, students, the nearest star Alpha Centauri is about 1.34 parsec from the sun. Most of the stars visible to the unaided eye in the midnight sky are within 500 parsec distance from the sun. Next one is units of length. Very long distance which can be expressed in terms of astronomical unit, light year, parsec and kilometer. So long distance, that is a larger units of length, is kilometer, astronomical unit, light year and parsec. Smaller units, look at the tabular column, students. Except the kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, micrometer and nanometer. These are smaller units of length. To measure small distance, such as distance between two atoms in a molecule, size of the nucleus and wavelength, etc., we use submultiples of 10. These quantities are measured in angstrom. Look at the tabular column, students. Now only I told you, except the kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, micrometer and nanometer. These are the smaller units of length. Other than this, we have some more smaller units: Fermi, angstrom, nanometer, micron, millimeter and centimeter. I hope everybody understand. Thank you, students.